Hey guys, this is Shriram from SN. Today I'm gonna share about a different kind of content. Guys, everybody has some goals to achieve in their life. It's like I have some goal to achieve and you have some goal to achieve. So everybody wants something to achieve in their life. Guys, in this video I'm gonna share about how I set my goals to achieve, and I thought this will be very useful for you. So let's start together. Number 1, stay motivated. Guys, motivation is the thing that keeps us going. It is really inspiring to see the successful people from their humble beginnings. But guys, the thing I'm about to say you now is the best motivation ever. It's you. Yeah, it's you. The biggest motivation for you is the reason why you wanted to achieve that goal. Whenever you feel down or the things getting tough than you expected and you're feeling like giving up, don't lose hope. Think why you started all of this. This would instantly motivate you and pick you up and start hustle again. Guys, don't follow any personalities to get motivation. You must understand one thing before you do that. They only inspired you. They don't motivate you. The motivation is within you. Number 2, daily work towards it. Guys, motivation is useless unless you work for it. This is a quote that I've came across. The main point of this quote is you have to work first. Spend at least an hour for your hobby or for your dream. Your hobby might be anything like photography, editing, singing, dancing, cooking, or whatever. You have to spend at least an hour for a day on it. By this, you can get a sense of satisfaction on what you do. It will make you consistent in your work and you will get some progress for sure. For example, everyone is not intelligent and everyone is not smart by born. They have their own interest on what they do and they work on it, then only they become smart or intelligent on their field. Guys, you cannot expect a success or a fame with your plans or when you're motivated. When you get down and work on it, then only you will achieve the success and fame what you asked for. Number 3, set mini goals. Guys, mini goals is a term that you can understand as breaking down your ultimate goals. This will make you not to feel bored of the results you get and lose motivation. Your goal can be anything like getting first rank in the test, getting into a football club, anything guys. Now at present stage it will feel impossible and time-taking task. By setting mini goals you can feel motivated by achieving it in short span. For example, in my case, getting 10,000 subscribers is my ultimate goal. At first, I can't get it overnight. I should not expect to get it. I have to break that ultimate goal into some small goals like getting 100 subscribers at first and 500, 1000, 2000 and so on. Like that, if I break down my ultimate goal into some small goals, I can achieve that small goals in short span. I will get some happiness or motivation after that small goals achieved. Surely one day I can reach there. In that same way guys, I am saying you to break down your ultimate goal into some small goals to achieve it in a short span. After achieving that small goals in short span, you will get motivated and you will put more efforts and work on it. Number 4, never compare. Never compare your first chapter to someone's 20th chapter. Guys, this is the worst thing that you can do to yourself. Never compare yourself with another person in the same field when you are just starting. Everyone has their own struggles. Without struggles, they won't be in that high position. Do your work with your full heart. You will achieve what you want. Guys, comparing yourself with another person, it's kind of demotivation. You feel demotivated by yourself and you won't work, you can't concentrate on what you do. You will feel like it's like a competition to you and for them. Guys, just feel free and be relaxed on what you do and do your work with passion. When you have really passion on what you do, you will get succeed and it will feel easy to go in that position. Guys, follow your passion and enjoy the process. Guys, if you don't enjoy the process or if you don't love what you do, you won't get succeed even after some years. First, find out your passion or what you love to do and follow it. I'll make a separate detailed video about this. Comment down below if you're interested. Number 5. Help others. Guys, helping others to grow even in a small contribution like sharing an engagement with some positive message and support others. This will come back for sure in some way or other. Guys, you cannot lose by giving. You will get more from it. Like a person you know starting a new startup, the first thing you have to do is support them. A positive message you can give them that motivates them on their work. That small things means a lot. Helping others is a very good manner that every human should understand. And that's all for the video, guys. Hope you found something informative. If you like our content, drop us a like down below, share it to your friends to encourage us. Let's get better together. Why not?